Need to do a quick reality check on a design, a prototype, even just an idea? User testing makes it easy. Here I've got two ideas for a chocolate tasting experience, and I want to get customer feedback to see if there's a preference for option A or option B. So what do? I go over to the user testing template gallery, I go into the quick answers, and I just select choose between two options. I click use the template, I paste the URL for the document that's got my ideas on it, and then I name the test and I launch it. In just minutes, the results are back and I can see if there's a clear preference for one version or the other from customers. I open the results and I can see immediately that there is no clear preference for one versus the other, although option A has a slight advantage. Down below, if you want to get a little bit deeper, qualitatively, see how people felt, what they thought about the ideas, it's all written right here, or we can click and watch the instant highlight reel of people who chose A and the instant highlight reel of people who chose B, or individual clips down below. It's just that easy. In minutes, we were able to use a quick answer template to get feedback on multiple ideas, figure out if there's a preference for them, see the results, watch video clips, and actually share that out as well.